I cut that dope at the crib. I keep them racks like a real. I'ma go pop me a pill. Like a screw, I'ma give her the drill. Yeah, she said she love my drill. If she bad, then I'm paying them bills. I put a cat on my lip. She give me chin like a beard. Woman for a show up verse, and I'm coming with that line cause I'm thugging for real. Got two dead partners, I ain't even speak on cause I'm trying to put his mama.
What's good, Sleep Nation? It's your boy Sleepo, you hear me? You already know it's good. I'm back with another video. We always on something. We always looking for something. Man, if y'all don't know, if you know what I'm saying, my day one subscribers, y'all know when I sold my bike, I was like, I ain't gonna say never. I said I'd get one, but like years down the line, I ain't gonna lie, I kind of been missing being on a bike. And I kind of just wanna, I've been looking at a few bikes. I found a few. This one of my partners got it. He do a lot of going to the auctions and stuff. So he said he bought two of them. So we about to go look at them. I forgot. I think one of them a Kawasaki and one of them is Suzuki. It's a Gsxr. So I'm interested in the Gsxr, you hear me? Because Kawasaki, it's a 650. I ain't really with the 650 because that's kind of like a touring bike. It's a naked bike. I don't like naked bikes, you know what I'm saying? So I want a actual like Gsxr, 600, 750, 1000. Or if I get a Kawasaki, it gotta be it gotta be like a Gsxr or a 636 or something like that, or 1000. So he got us going somewhere deep in Oklahoma. I don't even know how to say this little town. I ain't never been over here. You will never catch me over here. I don't even know why his black ass even stay over here. You heard me? Cause you know what I'm saying? It got a lot of them little you know, them unfriendly people that stay out there. You know what I'm saying? And they really on that racial stuff. So you hear me? That's just what we're gonna head down to. And once we get there, I'll turn y'all back on and shit. Y'all already know what's good, you hear me? And if you ain't subscribed though, make sure you subscribe right now. Don't be waiting to the end of the video till I'm subscribing. You don't. Make sure you subscribe right now.
Belief when I said I was raw. When I walk in the store, bitch, I gotta cash out. Her pay to be matching my mouth, and I moved out Chaffee into a big house. Rather than renting the works, I remember that day with that friend of that ounce. I told him keep grinding, stay focused, and gotta be humble, but long as it counts. My bitch got the stick again. And she a hooker, nigga, like a fisherman.
What up? What do Davo got me? Well, we in the country of the country. Rink-a-dink ass calls. I don't know where he got me at, man. Kind of scary out here. Nah, I'm just playing, but yeah, I don't know where we at, bro. We lit in some like country bumpkin type shit. For real. But it looked like it's a little junkyard. Kind of like a junkyard or something. But yeah, let me get this nigga a call and then tell him we here. Cause I ain't trying to be here for that long. I don't feel comfortable about the area. So look, catch the drip. You know, flock that on a bit. I may flock and get your bit. Now on some real shit though, I ain't never talk about it, but I know y'all always see me with this brand on here, man. It's my brand. I ain't gonna go into full detail. I'm gonna make a whole video about it. But FlockFitterzClothing, you hear me? Black owned, Louisiana, you hear me? It's about to be global. I just ain't released it yet, but you see, we got the shorts. I ain't got my socks on today. Got the tees, hats, beanies, panties, bras. We got everything. Pajamas, shit, headbands, you know what I'm saying? All that shit. Yeah, so that's my partner right there. And it's crazy. Got a black man out here in this part. I don't know. Maybe it's something I don't know. I'm not trying to be racial or anything. You know what I'm saying? What up, man? Chilling. Came to my neighborhood. Right. vlog that I was like, man.
Yeah. Oh, this ain't nothing. This is the front part. You ain't even seen all of it.
Is it a lot of black people down here?
Nah, I'm the only one.
What I said. What I said. He the only one out here.
Yeah. I got those colors right there.
Yeah, I was
That's going in the shop next to me.
I was peeping it when I was driving up.
Yeah, that's when we're doing the LS walk on.
Oh, yeah, that's 5'3"?
Yeah.
Shit. Man, but I do remember Tank brought me here one
Yeah,
time.
speaker shop. Yeah, we got all speakers and stuff in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put that on the vlog too. Yeah. He got I'm talking about warehouse speakers. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. If y'all and I'll give y'all a number and shit where you can contact me if y'all you know what I'm saying, Fort Smith, Oklahoma, surrounding areas on game.
Well, you know, like impound lot and shit. Some yeah, when they show you the light and shit, they got insurance and they told them that we're buying.
Oh, I was gonna do that one time with the dude in Oklahoma.
Put a new key switch on it. But yeah, this one came from the tow yard.
So how y'all get titles and stuff on it?
Oh, title 42. It take like 2 months. So the title on the way.
Oh, good.
Then we got that 650 over there on that side.
Yeah. Man, I remember a long time ago when Tank brought me, he had that Banshee.
Yeah, he still got that.
He do?
Yeah.
Is it for sale?
No.
Damn.
I've been trying to buy that one.
Bro, that Banshee something.
That fucking bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, that's one bike, that's one car that I want so bad.
That fucking bad.
That Banshee. For real. Yeah, look, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I was looking for another six, but you can't go wrong with it.
Yeah, it's 2017. It's $25,000.
Yeah, I was looking at some Barons for it and shit too. Yeah. Cause like all this shit,
And all, yeah, they
you
like
wouldn't have to worry about.
painting.
Yeah. You gotta worry about that shit.
But they got it right.
Yeah. And then did he run from the police on it?
Yeah. Yes, the dude down here.
Oh, he ran from him and wrecked it?
Yeah. You know, the impound lot got him. He ain't got insurance.
Yeah. Gotta know how to run.
Yeah, then we got that 650 over there.
You gonna run? You gotta know how to run. Trust me, I'm 11-0.
Speaker box, man.
Yeah, we're gonna come back to the speaker box. I'm gonna show y'all some shit. They got all type of shit out here. For real.
Man, this right here, that 650. Handlebars and a plastic.
I know that's a ignition point. Like,
yeah, that's gonna need that new ignition.
I like that other one for sure. How do you saying motherfuckers on these motherfuckers?
Yeah, they get crazy on the front.
Man, I'm talking about wheelies and shit.
Yeah.
Cause they real torquey.
Yep.
And they like straight, so it's like easy to wheelie with. Damn, how long y'all had them?
About a month or so.
I should have been top 10. I I ain't know y'all be having bikes and shit.
Yeah, we got all kinds of shit, man. Anything you can drive, we got it.
Oh, dang. Y'all heard that. Y'all around this area, you need some type of wheels. 1, 2, 3, don't matter. They got them. Okay.
And we had a 3-wheeler out here, like jacked up, big wheels.
Y'all sold it?
Yep.
What y'all sold it for?
25.
Man, them 3-wheelers, they don't make them no more.
No. Honda.
Yeah. Nah. I had one, my first bad wreck on the phone.
Yeah.
Cause them things, they easy to flip.
Oh yeah. Easy Papa Willie on them too.
Papa Willie had a motherfucker.
Man, you ain't seen half the shit we drive out here.
Man, look like y'all got all type of shit.
Oh yeah. Man, that's over 400 cars, man.
Damn. Yeah. What y'all find at the auction? Wednesday, Thursday?
Yeah, Wednesday.
Yeah, what y'all?
We brought a cold boat back.
Oh, that blue one?
Yeah, and then that Dodge that I got for that white.
That white one?
Yep. There's a guy coming to buy that today.
Yeah. Is it diesel?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, so you got LS motor just sitting and shit. All kind of LS motors.
Oh, gang. Y'all see what's going on. All type of shit everywhere.
Minivan, Dodges. Anything you need to fix it.
Oh, this motherfucker got AC.
Yeah, it got AC in this motherfucker. Yeah. It only got 1 gear.
That's it?
Yeah. Transmission man. So we just ride it through the wood.
Oh, damn.
Grand Marquis is sitting out here. Toyotas.
Oh, gang. Man, they got all type of shit out here.
Oh yeah. OZ. Got 2 of those.
Yep. Grand Am,
Yep.
Taurus, Explorers. Got a Beam out there.
Yeah, the Beamers and shit. They can't protect you.
Yep. Cadillac.
A lot of Dodge trucks, old Dodges, Tahoe.
Damn. So is it kind of like a
Savoyard.
Yeah.
Man, it really ain't, but it is. Hell. Man, it's just like a lot of cars. We just go buy a lot of scrap cars.
Yeah. And if you need a part or something.
Yeah, it's already there.
Yeah.
Like that Suburban right there, that thing still run.
For real?
Yeah. It's just dirty in the inside, so we parked it right there.
Damn.
Like most of these cars run. We drove them right here. Just left them.
Damn. Hell yeah, I ain't know all this was back here.
Oh yeah.
Is that one you said you're gonna put a new motor in?
Yeah. Yep.
Shit, yeah. I think I was with you that time. That's when I bought. You had got the whatchamacallit for me, the G6.
Yeah, I got another one sitting up there, Hyundai. They putting the motor in.
Oh damn.
Yeah, we got cold boats.
Yeah, man.
We got an old Ford Galaxy right there.
Yeah.
Got the old rack.
Yeah. And I seen.
Yeah, that's a Gran Torino.
Yeah. Damn. Oh, pump Firebird.
Old Benz right here.
Yeah. Damn.
Duramax. Diesel truck.
It run?
No, we put a motor. Got the transmission still in it. We got like 4 of those. Hey, check it out. Man, you take this right here. You take this traffic count. You get some land. You know what I'm saying? You own the land. So you pay $2,000 for some land. Then you go buy this traffic count. About like $5,000 to $6,000. Bro, you set that on. How you know how much you paying for that motherfucker? Just to rent it. Just to rent it. You know what I'm saying? To rent that out, that's $700. Just to rent it out. You own the land, and that's your camera. They pay you $700 a month just to live in that. Or you can go get the land, and you can set up like some water and electric and stuff all on the land, whatever. Then they just plug up to it, and man, they gonna pay you $300 a week just to have their camper there. They can bring their own camper. I'm telling you, man, that's what they doing out here. Yeah. That's what I be on, man. And if you look at it, man, it's just like a crib. Think about it. Most of the people out here is down the street.
Yeah.
So they don't want to go stay no crazy place for a crib. Right? So you come here, and you already got, see, this right here slide out. It ain't even slid out yet. But then you got the kitchen, then you got the bathroom, you got the bedroom. You know what I'm saying? And it's usually a couch right here. We got to put the couch. So they paying you about $600 or $700 just for that. And if you already got the land and they got their own camper, they gonna pay you $300 or $400 just to leave their stuff there. They working on the rig, so they ain't fucked up about it.
No, I ain't never been in one of these.
Yeah, it's just like a crib.
Stove,
Yeah,
little table.
you hook onto the back of the truck and take off. They got the AC and all that.
Damn.
It's just like a house, refrigerator.
Right.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, this whole part right here slides out, and then whenever you want to drive it, you just slide it in, and then it come up to about right here.
Damn, that's lit.
Yeah.
But that's. I wonder why people don't think about the type of investments like this.
Man,
What the
I be trying to talk to them about it, man. So you got the bed and all that.
fuck? Right. What the?
You got the shower right here to the left.
Oh,
And then you got the
damn.
bathroom right here to the right. And that left door. And then this right here, you can close this off for some privacy.
Oh. Bro, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Bro, investments.
Yep.
Damn. Bro, that's an investment like a motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie.
Man, I
Damn.
ain't gonna keep working hard, man.
Right.
Money already right there.
I thought this was a prison book.
No. That's the old school bus, man.
Damn, that's crazy.
And then, when you get a step up, you get one of these. Back off.
Yeah, I be hearing that these
Easy to drive, too.
make a lot of money.
Yeah. Easy to drive.
What y'all mostly use it for?
Man, we be pushing cars. If we get a water hose broke or something, we just pick it up.
Damn. That's crazy. That's a lot of bread.
Yeah.
This the land alone. I ain't even think about all the shit you can.
With land, you can do anything you want to, especially when you own it. Do whatever you want. They can't fuck with it.
And if they want it, they probably try to offer you the top.
Yeah, exactly. Like OG&E, see that fire plant over there? Man, they try to buy it, like the front part of it. They offered, I think it was like $80,000 just for the front part. We're like, nah. Yeah.
Shit, cause before you know it, when they use all the land building shit, they gonna
They
to
gonna
buy
need it,
somebody's
exactly.
land.
Yeah. That's like, man, I got the 3 acres out there in, where? Cedarville? Yeah, Cedarville. And it's on both sides of the highway. Eventually, they got to expand the highway because it's just a one-way. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, 2-lane highway. They got to expand it. So they're going to have to pay me on both sides. Got to look at it like that, man. Because I own it, so y'all got to give me what I want.
Right. Right, I ain't gonna sell it.
Yeah. And then y'all need it, so y'all going to pay me what I want.
We got a bunch of everything I can see. From crossovers to screens. Like this is something that I want to put. I want to put this in the old school though. Cause as you can see, it's a big screen in the front, but you can slip it. You know what I'm saying? Like it's still small. And like a big ass screen. That shit gonna be dope. I just Power Acoustic, so yeah, that's a good brand, straight brand. I ain't never heard of this. This supposed to be some Chinese shit. But you got, you know what I'm saying? Look at the prices, bro. 150, 225. Like it's not even that much. CarPlay. Oh shit, what the fuck was that? Man, that was a Walsh try to pull up on me and stick me one. I had to, hold on, my nigga, hold on. You know, you gotta pull a pants up. Hold on, what's down? Don't run up on me like that. Or don't fly up on me like that. Yeah, man. But nah, for real though. You got all type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? $75. You know, can't go wrong with these. These like the original, like I remember around my daddy, you hear me? He used to have like one of them original. Look, I'm sitting here straight and shit. You hear me? I'm thinking about when I worked at Walmart shit. But yeah. Yeah. 6x9s. Amps and shit, as you can see. Q powers, that's a 10 amps, some more amps, 10s, crossovers and shit. 6x9, $60. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Some more like these Kicker brand, as you can see. He got like you know, when you got all type of like you got to plug in your shit somewhere. Got $250 for 212 in the box. Competition. I'm telling you, them kicker comps, bro. I'm talking about them used to be like what everybody wanted. I want them kicker comps right there. I never forget. What we got over here? I don't know what the hell this is. Oh, okay. 6x9. Okay, these must be like some, I don't know, probably 6x9, some shit. Hold on, do I have to? Get to work out. Make me miss the gym. I could do this all day long, you know. It ain't that. Hold on now. But yeah, just little wires and stuff. Got some tweeters. Bro, his prices ain't that much. It's really like pretty reasonable. And he got anything you can name. Like, and if he don't got it, he can order it. I ain't gonna lie, he kinda not that far. He on like 30 minutes, but for me, if I'm gonna go 30 minutes, I'm gonna go somewhere like lit. I'm not gonna, you know. So I just have my boy Davo. That was Davo with the dreads y'all seen. I have him like, hey Davo, what y'all got down there? Oh, I got this. All right, bet. Bring it to me. Cause he be coming to Fort Snook all the time. So I be like, I got the dread for you. But yeah, man. He got a lot of stuff. Y'all need something, make sure y'all fuck with him. Shit like that. But I wanna go look at this bike one more time. And I'll turn y'all back on after I look at the bike and shit. And then, yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all, okay? So we back at the bike. Just a few things I kind of wanted to check out. So it's definitely gonna need a muffler on there. As you can see, it's a 1000. It's a Gsxr. So 2017. All this shit gonna come off, but I would need to put some blinkers up there. Rusty ass chain, so that need to be changed. So he ran from the police from what I hear, and he ended up wrecking it. Good thing he ain't let me see, make sure he ain't put nothing in a tank, like no dents, because the tank will be redone anyway. We'll need another key hole, and this ain't too much worry about. But damn, that nigga broke the fuck out that motherfucker. They got 25,000 miles, which is not a lot, but they bought new handlebars, as you can see. Don't worry about the fairings, they'll be changed. I just will have to see if that rotor is good. We got Brembos, that's lit. See if them rotors good on there. I'm gonna change the tires. You gotta worry about that. You see a little scrape down there. So I just want to have to see, make sure it run and shit, but I'm thinking about getting it though. Cause some people probably think, oh no man, this thing look like a piece of shit. Yeah, for right now, until I do a whole 360 and you'll see the difference. You know what I'm saying, once I'm done with it. So, but right now it do look like a piece of shit. I'm just ready to be on another bike, and I think this is a nice project for me. So we're thinking about getting it. If I get it, I'm gonna do a vlog, of course, bringing it, coming to get it, doing a pickup and shit like that. But tell me what y'all guys think. Y'all fuck with it? I had a 1000. I had like a 2003 Yamaha R1, but it was missing second gear. But these 1000 something crazy, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. But we're gonna talk some numbers and see if it makes sense. If it do, I'll be bringing y'all a vlog soon. All right, Sleep Nation, finally just left. What y'all think about the bike? Some people probably see it and be like, it look like a piece of junk. It do, but trust me, if I just paint the wheels, paint the tank, and put new fairings on it, you will never tell it even look like that. That's one thing I learned about rebuilding stuff. It looks so bad, but it's really not bad, you know what I'm saying? But I'm thinking about grabbing it. I don't know exactly when and stuff like that, but I'm thinking about grabbing it. It's a 1000. It's a nice price. It's definitely a good price. Fairings ain't nothing but about $300-400 off eBay. I just throw a little eBay kit, get the tank painted and the wheels painted. Like I said, everything would like literally be back normal. Only thing I want to make sure is the rotors are good. I want to make sure the motor is good. You know, make sure it's not knocking. That the guy that was running from the police and wrecked it didn't like tear nothing up. When I was looking at it, it looked like it didn't hit hard, so you know, it looked pretty good. But I'm gonna wrap this video up. I gotta go handle some shit, and I see that. Gotta handle some stuff, and once cause I'm shooting another video today, which y'all gonna see. So if y'all see me in the same thing, no, I'm not rocking the same stuff in 2 different videos. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what, you go right? But yeah, so it got a cruise night tonight that I am going to. Sadly, I don't got the Hellcat, so I can't bring the Hellcat, but it's Mojo cruise night. It's usually always dope, but this year Mojo police department talking about, oh, you can't do burnouts this year, or you gonna get a ticket. That's the reason why everybody came to all the Mojo cruise nights, because it was the only cruise night where you can do a burnout. Well, now you can't do a burnout this year, so I'm gonna just try to go out there and get some cars and just, you know what I'm saying, get you guys some content. Yeah, bro, new videos on the way, all type of new stuff to the channel. Hey, like I said, if you ain't subscribed, subscribe, because when I be looking at my analytics here, it be saying subscribe 30%, not subscribe 70%. What's wrong with y'all? Why y'all not subscribing to your boy? You hear me? It's all about support. Support don't cost nothing on game. You know what I mean? We got a lot of new shit on the way. So make sure you tap that. Make sure you subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And turn on that post notification bell on game. And shit, y'all already know what's down. Sleep Nation forever. What's the motto? Do not sleep on us. Okay. Thought I was done with the video, but we had to make a stop at the Waffle House. It was Bree's. It was Bree's idea.
That's a lie. You eat every time breakfast.
Strawberry. You got what?
she want a molly, so I gave that hoe a perk. Made her bend it over, she said she like how it hurt. She saw me with a stack and asked how much I make.
How you be having so much money?
Shut up, bitch, and go to work. She say she want a molly, so I fucked her on a perk. Yeah, made her bend it over, she said she like how it hurt. Yeah, she saw me with a stack and asked how much I make.
How you be having so much money?
Shut up, bitch, and go to work. Let me introduce myself, they call me Sleepo, baby. The type to break a bitch for every dollar, fuck her later. I'm guessing that's